Okay, this is 3145 Brittania Boulevard, and the unit is on the top left. All right, and here is the profile. Looks really nice. So it's gated community, and it's just the same community as the 8711 Knightsbridge Court. And let's go up. Second floor if you like it. And there's the unit 3145C, and here's the view. This one has a large living room as well, except it's tile. And you know, you can get this grout covered or colored, no problem. You can get the grout clean. It does look dirty, but at least it's not carpet. All right, so there's the living room. And again, it is a pretty nice view up here. I like this unit probably better than the other one because it's got the bathrooms redone and it's got carpet. Carpet is not here. Still has, I think, no, it's got upgraded cabinetry in here, but it's not new. Okay, I like that it's got a big breakfast bar. You can hang out. The appliances in here at least match as well, so that's good. It's got upgraded doors here on your laundry. It's got the nice wood doors and all the storage units. I don't know about the AC. So this room's got carpet. Okay, it's probably the smallest room, and it's got a decent sized closet. I'm gonna be hurrying through here because I only have like 5% left on my phone. All right, so this would be bedroom number 2. Okay, it also has carpet, and we're back up to conservation here. This one has a large walk-in, just like the other unit did. Okay. And again, the bedrooms here have carpet, all the bedrooms. But, you know, here's a difference, big difference, I think. Not to mention that, you know, they at least replaced the doors on the cabinets. We have new tile, floor, almost ceiling. And here's the master. Fairly large, cathedral ceilings, extra storage. We've got walk-in here, and looks like we have some storage up there too. So that's another feature. Now here we have floor-to-ceiling tile. It looks like it's in good shape. All right. So yeah, I do like this unit better. The only difference, I guess, would be the location. Well, so you've got the doors on the vanities and the cabinets, and then you've got the bathrooms redone. The master has a ceiling, a cathedral ceiling. We're backed up to conservation here on the second floor. Looks like a new deck. Definitely needs to be painted. And this unit also has tile throughout the common areas, which is nice. So this is a nice space. I am, again, not sure, you know, which unit belongs here, but, you know, doesn't look too bad. Let me check out the hot water heater while I'm in here. Yeah. And, of course, the doors. The doors, of course, are different as well. All right, so here's where the hot water heater was in the other one. Wow, that's even nicer. Nicer hot water heater. And The AC unit looks okay. I mean, I can't, you have to get that checked out, but this one looks like it's in really good condition. I like this one. This has got my vote. So, all right. Again, this one is 3145 West Brittania Boulevard, and I was not able to get a hold of the agent on this one. There's simply a message that was left, and I need to call them in the morning. So if you like this one, if you want me to prepare any offers, I could definitely do it on this one and the other one, just so we're ready for tomorrow. So, all right. Hopefully we'll talk soon. I'm gonna send this right over, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks, Vicky. Bye.